Hello viewers, welcome to Learn Kannada International YouTube channel. Viewers, I am Vidyashri from Karnataka. I am presenting this video for you to write Kannada and pronounce Kannada, helping you to learn Kannada reading and writing through our Learn Kannada International YouTube channel. If this video is helpful to you, please subscribe our channel. Thank you.
Hello viewers, today we learn 11th Kannada alphabet O. O. Small O. How to write? O. O. O for ಒಂದು. O for ಒಂದು. ಒಂದು means one. Number one. O for ಒಬ್ಬ. ಒಬ್ಬ means one person. O for ಒಂದೇ. ಒಂದೇ means same.